match underway. Here's Bilia. Lovely passing here. Great footwork there. The defender could be in trouble here. The shot's on. Salah! There's only one outcome really. As soon as the player shot, he knew it was heading straight in. And here's the build-up to that great goal. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? He's got the ball at his feet. It's with the defender now. Passed inside. Oh, well timed. They're appealing, but he's onside. He must score, surely. That's a crack, quality goal. Oh, what a stunning goal here, as he finds the back of the net with ease. It's 2-0. Passed well. Well read. Great technique. Now, that was close. Not mention it there at all. Oh, that one looked tight. Let's see the replay. Striker's ball. Well intercepted. This player is taking on the opposition. He's so skillful on the ball. Great dribbling. Great technique. Salah. And it's opened up here. Shoots! And that is a fantastic goal. Let's see that one again. 3 well-worked and deserved goals from this player. The manager will be extremely pleased with his performance. Good defending. What a well-timed tackle. It's with the striker. Great chance here. It was a real chance. They're unlucky not to score. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. Forward from the keeper. Referee calls play back for an offside. And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. The defender's back on the ball. He's cut it back inside. Oh, it's a clear chance. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. Is this the moment? Shoots, and he scored. The manager will be really pleased with finishing like that. He'll do wonders for his confidence too. And we're back underway here. Striker's ball. Can he finish it? Shoots! That one has gone out of play. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. Quality defending there. And there's the half-time whistle. Great display of football between these two teams. Let's hope the half-time period doesn't slow things down. Salah. The shot's on. Pulls the trigger. And this is a world-class finish. So, we're off again here. It's with the striker. Can he get a shot in? Shoots! And that's out for a corner kick. And that one swung into great chance here. Ronaldo! What a finish! This one will be a joy to look back on. Smashed into the top corner. Passed well, and the team swapped possession again. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. What a chance! Shoots! He's almost celebrating, so unlucky. The assistant's kept his flag down, he's onside. Just the goalkeeper to beat now, and that is a fantastic goal. Let's take another look at that. And the referee gets the game going again. Oh, determined challenge there. And here's a chance. Salah! Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. It's just one after the other. With this team, the manager will be ecstatic. Oh, he did really well there. Striker's ball. Striker's ball, and it's opened up here. He goes for goal. He's put a shot well wide of the post. Let's see that again. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Oh, determined challenge there. He's onside here. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. Well-worked goal. Great finish. Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much-deserved goal. And the manager's making a change here. Goals are flying in here. And he'll be chuffed with adding another. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Passed inside. The shot's on. Salah! His teammates swarm him. And rightly so. Great stuff. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. He keeps adding to his team's tally. It's becoming a rout. Great dribbling. And the referee blows for full time. A big win for this team and some great goals. The manager will be pleased.